Hey, good afternoon mga kabrad. Dito na tayo sa SKSU ROTC unit. Okay, nandito yung mga tapi ng mga advanced cadet ng third class ng SKSU ROTC. Okay, tanungin natin sila kung ano mga alam nila sa ROTC. Okay? Okay, nandito si Cadet Officer Omar. Memorize po ba ang GO number 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pina.
GO number 1, to take charge of this post in all government property and views, sir.
Very good. Okay, ito yung isa. GO number 2.
Sir, GO number 2, to walk my post in military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything that take place with its sight or hearing, sir.
Okay, very good. Dito naman tayo sa isa. GO number 3.
To repeat all calls I have instructed to enforce, sir.
Very good. Okay, GO number 4.
GO number 4, to repeat all calls from my post, more distance from the guardhouse than my own, sir.
Okay, very good. GO number?
GO number 7,
Yan.
to talk to no one except the life duty, sir.
Mabuhay ang isisyo!
Mabuhay!
Yeah.